I'm Di with Sister Chicks Quilting, and welcome to my channel. And you may ask yourself, where in the world am I? Well, I ain't Waldo, so I'm going to tell you instead of make you look for me. This is my quilting studio, or my sewing room, where I film all of my videos from. I see a little bit of insulation, there's a missing closet. Anything that's here is covered up because sheetrock is going to start probably on Tuesday. Tomorrow, the electrician is going to come in and I'm going to get some more lighting here and here, maybe here. I don't know. The engineer bought a pretty big pack of lights. So I'm excited about that. Lights, oh, I can see. But what I'm having done, there, we'll stand behind the covered cases. There, I'll stand here for the rest of the video so you can at least see something. And I have everything covered because drywall is going to happen right after the electrician comes. But that's not the reason I'm here. This is the reason I'm here. Do you recognize this package? These are the upside down blades of the no waste windmill that go in the Love, Love, Love It heart quilt. I picked a winner on Friday, and I apologize for not coming on sooner and telling you who it was. I just have to tell you, my quilting partner, you know as my daughter, has been so sick and she literally can't get out of bed. So between the two grandmas, we've had Hazel. I've been adapting to life with a 5-year-old, and I adore and love her. But exciting news, she's going home today. The exciting part is Mom is feeling better, we'll miss Hazel, but things might get a little calmer and we might get some more stuff done. Let me tell you, because you're probably dying to know who won the contest. There were 154 of you who filled out the form to win these pieces of pre-cut fabric. And the winner was number 66. You'll never guess where she's from. Oh, okay, I'll tell you then. Congratulations goes to Kirsi Hamalainen from Finland. So thank you, Kirsi, for entering my contest. I am putting those out in the mail tomorrow. I'm not going to guarantee how long it's going to take to get there, but we know they'll get there. And I want to thank everybody else for playing. I had a blast seeing where everybody was from. Now, just a bit of housekeeping. I obviously don't have a sewing machine in here, a sewing table, or any way to make videos in this room, and I'm probably going to be out of it for 2 weeks. I have got everything that I need set up in my garage, aka my quilting studio. So my next video is going to come from the quilting studio. I'm excited. I've started cutting it already. It is gorgeous. And you know what? It's this color. It's going to be phenomenal. And it's going to come with a pattern. I'm real excited. So until then, I'm going to get that video out as fast as I can. And I send my sincerest appreciation for watching my channel. I wish everybody health and happiness and a lot of quilting. And in the meantime, I'll continue making content. I'm going to hustle and get that quilt out. Until then, bye.